Rock beat. Yo, Nikom Panamilaroni. Rock beat.
Of course, I feel like I'm dreaming. Radio. Welcome back. It's the Van Rap Radio exclusive. You know, and it's exclusive content. It's in Azinga Ingika Radio Straight. No, they are available on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Like, we just put them wherever we want to put them. But we're trying to push and let the world know. You know what I mean? But besides that, and then they're going to also be on www.limpopo.tvonline.co.za soon. We're still working on a couple of stuff. Besides that, I can take you through again. Rawabudza Orihesh. Ukushumi wapanda. Ukushuma ngamanda gomba likushuma. So I'm just gonna let you listen to Makhadzi achikwamboro urimboro ushumi so hano shuma na bonyi. And then who did the beat, who did the production, who did the recording, who did everything. And then let you listen Nifezori, which if you appreciate those you work with. No, man, tell them now. Huh?
Yeah, so we are shooting Sugar music video, guys. The people behind the song, it's Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, you know Mr. Brown. Ndoimbana ye Mashaka. Mr. Brown ndiye no producer wa beat ya Sugar. And then atangana na muzana wa ifi Lanaredzi. Onoita Makhadzi urine. And then I composed the song, and then in the imba, as you know that atingwali ndofa beat ndagidima na studio angia makleker ndar makleker kado vulira volume wapo apange beat rite zote yao. Yeah, so so ndizvezvo, even though luimbo lopesera naunera rulika mara just because of between the recorder ona quality yabudi azvifari and stro vakumfesesa likorwesa likuvundura. So I know you guys, you can't wait for an official song ndina mapincha which is going to be out like soon. I think this month. I will tell you, I will update you guys. So mara kavalindere because luimbo likorwesa ngamanda.
Sugar.
Likorwesa ngamandesa. So yeah, that's it. So
wazipfa urulimbo loshuma ngabonyi hotangana mini aite ya mini harira mini makleker ya bivisi la tanga se makleker holumlo dia tapanyeza hati buti shamna yeah, that's it how it is. You know what, Makhadzi is working, she's pushing her brand to the next level. So let's keep on supporting, let's keep on pushing, let's keep on making Venda proud. Expect more content from Makhadzi. The song on Sugar some of the songs were leaked, but she didn't say Chavisa, you just do it better, you make it more quality. Quality size. Yeah, you just make more quality music and push the quality and make it better than what people thought it was the final product. This is okwitu wapanga Makhadzi feature mampinja katreke so but debe no kushuta music video ahone usina na zwingwe ndendidero abuza chishitipedzi support music hayani, and then we should expect to see more greatest things zikubva kala hayani. She deserves everything like